Tired of that constantly leaking toilet? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about stopping that water bandit, the leaky toilet, right after this.
If your old kitchen's full of fumes and your bath's a steamy mess, they need a makeover, and you need to enter the Healthiest Home on the Block contest, brought to you by Brown Newtone and Today's Homeowner. The winner gets a healthy home audit, a kitchen range hood, bath vent fans, and a whole house ventilation system. Plus, their makeover will be featured on a special episode of the Today's Homeowner TV show. See official rules and enter now for your chance to win the healthiest home on the block at todayshomeowner.com/healthyhome.
A leaky toilet makes an irritating sound, but it also wastes dozens and dozens of gallons of water every day. The culprit most often is the rubber flapper at the bottom of the tank. Over time, they can crack or become deformed, so they don't seal as well as they should. A replacement is only a few dollars, and the fix takes just minutes. First, turn off the water supply and empty the tank by flushing it. Remove the old flapper by unsnapping it where it is hinged at the base of the tower. You'll also have to disconnect its chain from the flush lever. The new flapper snaps right back in its place, and its chain is then attached to the flush lever so there's little or no slack when the flap is closed. Then turn back on the water supply and you're done. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.